Here I have some creamy carbonara noodles with some spinach that was sauteed in some carbonara sauce. And I'm also going to add a little bit of milk to the noodles just to make it a little bit creamy. All right, now let's mix it. This is what I'm eating, by the way. Anytime I have Samyang noodles, people always ask, what does the package look like? And this is what the creamy carbonara looks like. But without further ado, let's take a bite. It is so good with spinach in it. Can never have enough spinach.